come explore Assateague Island with us. We arrived at night and were immediately greeted by some horses. When we woke up, we had horses all around us. Here's Lisa out with the horses. And horses behind the campers. And Lisa again with more horses. We even saw a foal nursing on his mother. While we were there, we did other area things, like visiting the beach, which was pretty empty. We went to NASA too. Here's my husband and our friends Rob and Lisa. And here are Rob and Lisa at the museum celebrating the book series about Misty. This is a map of shipwrecks. Lady Aurora paid us a visit and was visible to the naked eye. It was my first time seeing it, Rob and Lisa's too. My friend Dion came to visit, and we flew kites. We made s'mores, and this was Dion's first time doing that. We saw a lot of horses rolling around on the grass to help themselves shed their coats. There were horses everywhere. They were all around our camper, behind other people's campers, and munching on the grass. They came to visit at night too. We saw some spectacular sunsets. Here's information about the various horses that are on the island. And they were everywhere. They were on the beach, by the side of the roads, here are more horses by more roads, and hanging out by the campsites too, all behind the trailers. They really liked the grass. And they also enjoyed the shade. Here's a great photo that Rob took. We had a great time and we're looking forward to next time. We already have reservations for next year. Thanks for joining us.
You done?